Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick guide, we will show you how to send money from Western Union to a bKash account in just a few simple steps. First of all, log into your Western Union account using the app or website. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's quick and easy. Next, click on Send Money option. Enter the country, Bangladesh, and the amount you want to send. Choose bKash wallet as the delivery method, then input the recipient's bKash account number. Double check the recipient's details and review the transfer fee. When everything looks good, proceed to payment. Select your payment method, debit card, credit card, or bank transfer, and confirm the transaction. And that's it. The recipient will get the money directly in their bKash wallet within moments. Thank you for watching. Sending money has never been this easy with Western Union and bKash.